Choosing the right baby stroller can be overwhelming. Heavy frames, poor suspension, uncomfortable seats, and complicated folding systems often frustrate parents. A good stroller should be safe, lightweight, smooth to push, and comfortable for your baby from newborn to toddler stage. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best baby strollers designed for daily use, travel, and long-term comfort. We analyzed features, build quality, and real buyer feedback to create this list. Check the description for updated prices and availability. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart baby gear reviews. Number 5. SteAnny 3-in-1 Baby Stroller Travel System. The SteAnny 3-in-1 Baby Stroller is a complete travel system designed for newborns and growing babies. It includes a stroller, baby carriage, and car seat with ISOFIX base support for added safety. The reversible seat allows your baby to face you or explore the world. Its foldable design makes storage and transport easy, while the sturdy frame ensures stability on daily walks. Smooth wheels and comfortable padding provide a secure and cozy ride, making it a great all-in-one solution for modern parents. Number 4. MAMAZING Ultra Air X Lightweight Travel Stroller. The MAMAZING Ultra Air X stands out with its ultralight 9.9-pound carbon fiber frame, making it perfect for travel and city use. The UPF 50+ waterproof fabric protects your baby from sun and light rain, while the breathable design keeps them comfortable. Its compact folding system fits easily in car trunks or overhead storage. Despite the lightweight build, it feels strong and stable during use. This stroller is ideal for parents who want premium materials, easy handling, and effortless portability. Number 3. Warmhouse 4-in-1 Two-Way Baby Stroller. The Warmhouse 4-in-1 Baby Stroller offers excellent flexibility with its multifunctional design. It features a two-way reversible seat, allowing face-to-face interaction or forward viewing. The basket-type seat provides a secure and cozy environment for newborns, while the foldable frame makes daily use convenient. Smooth wheels and solid suspension help handle uneven roads with ease. Designed for comfort and practicality, this stroller grows with your baby and adapts to different parenting needs. Number 2. Highview Baby Stroller Sit or Lie Down. The Highview Baby Stroller is designed for comfort from newborn to toddler stages, with a seat that easily adjusts between sitting and lying positions. Its lightweight and foldable umbrella-style design makes it easy to carry and store. The 4-wheel structure offers balanced movement, while the two-way seat option lets parents switch viewing directions. Soft cushioning and stable handling ensure a smooth ride for your baby. This stroller is a solid choice for parents looking for simplicity, comfort, and everyday reliability. Number 1. 2025 New C15 Baby Stroller with Shock Absorption. The 2025 new C15 Baby Stroller takes the top spot with its lightweight build and advanced 4-wheel shock-absorbing system. It folds quickly and easily, making it perfect for busy parents on the go. The smooth suspension handles rough roads comfortably, keeping your baby relaxed during rides. Designed with safety, stability, and ease of use in mind, this stroller delivers excellent performance for daily walks and travel, a great balance of comfort, durability, and modern design. A good baby stroller makes parenting easier, safer, and more comfortable. These 5 strollers offer different strengths, from ultralight travel designs to full newborn systems. Whether for daily walks or long trips, there's a perfect option here. Which one fits your needs best? Comment below and subscribe for more baby gear reviews.